So you heard about Nowsite's SMS messaging marketing, and you want to know more about it. All right, we're going to talk about it. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And today we're going to talk about Nowsite Marketing's SMS marketing suite. All right, so let's go. So when you come back into the marketing suite, you see right here we have SMS. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Okay, so the Nowsite SMS Blaster, okay, is real nice. Why is it nice? Because you can do a few different things. You can send out a text individually. You can send out a text to your whole list. So if you create any type of list, all right, so let's think about it. You create a list for the different campaigns you might have. You might have capture pages that you have people opt into. You have different landing pages. So, you've been building that list. So all the contacts you have in those lists, you can actually send out a broadcast to that entire list. Or if you say, well, look, you know what? I don't want to send out a full broadcast. I just want to send out a single, text to just one individual or one single person. Then you can do that as well. And you can send out a text and broadcast that text to just that one person. You can set up drip campaigns. Okay. So that way it goes out just like your emails do. So right here, you can see that right here that we have a broadcast. You can see I have a demo one, or I can actually set this up as a drip campaign and then add new drip campaigns that go out. When you do a drip campaign like this, then you'll see over here where it has the list at. You'll pick the list that you want to go out to. And the only difference in sending out a regular campaign is like over here, you see what it says send delay. So see, you can say send immediately, or you can send hourly. So I might send it within, 2 hours after of sending the first one, or maybe it'll go out days from now even. Okay. Or months. So that's the advantage of using a drip campaign. So let's go to a regular broadcast. And then we already have a demo one here. So let me send it, hit that. All right. So you see it say testing. You see right here, you put the broadcast name. I'm going to bring over my phone so you guys can see this in real time. Okay, so you see right here where it says you can send to a list. So this is what I was talking about. You see all these different lists. These are all different capture pages that I've had and the list that I have people going to, right? But right here, it also says send individually. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so when I send it here, you should see right here on my phone over there. So it should say testing. So broadcast was sent. And you can see almost instantly right there, testing. And they give you a phone number, as you can see. So you can actually have your phone. Now, another thing that's nice about this feature is the fact that you're also going to be able to have the ability to have keywords. So your keywords can be set up so in a fashion that, when a person types in elite, then they opt into your text blaster also, or they opt into one of your lists. And that's the way that you can build it. So you can tell people, hey guys, text money to 702-553-3326. And then when you do that, now they're in your SMS system, so that when you come over here and you select, send to the list, it'll be over here somewhere. Okay. So that's it in a nutshell. This was a short and sweet one. I wanted to really just show you what that the SMS blaster and what it can do, because it is very, very, very powerful, as you can see. So this is the SMS blaster, and this is a part of your Nowsite marketing suite. So if you're ready to join Nowsite and take advantage of SMS marketing, then let's get you going. Just hit that link below, getmoneylikeaboss.com. And we'll get you going. Or if you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. And I'd love to answer any questions that you may have. Or if you like to have access to all my #1 top income opportunities, then hey, you see that QR code up there that's been sitting there the whole time? All right, all you gotta do is take your phone and open up the camera, put it in front of that QR code, scan it, and then you get a list of all my top income opportunities. Or you can bypass all that if you want to get a text right from me personally. You want to text from me personally? All right, so we can make that happen as well. All you gotta do is text money to 702-553-3326, and I'll send you a list of my top income opportunities. All right, so before we go, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the likes, comment, or more importantly, hit that bell afterwards so that you get notified when I do these. Okay, when you don't want to be missing out when I be making these videos, right? All right, so that being said, see you on the next video. Appreciate you. Till then, have a blessed day.